Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to Mama Ninja's Kitchen, a kitchen with great adventures where there is never a dull moment. So, guys, today we are going to be creating the pair of our nativity, and that is the three wise men. So, this is a quick, simple holiday decor activity or project you can do. So I'm going to quickly go over tools that you will be needing, and that will be definitely the lantern, the three wise men, the berries, ornament and pine cone, scissors, floral wire, definitely a hard glue gun, and of course a lantern. So first we are going to start with creating the swag that we are going to be using to deck the lantern. Yes. I had so much fun creating these pieces because it was just very sentimental, very meaningful to me because I grew up, having the nativity as part of my Christmas celebration. So it is something that does mean a lot to me. So guys, I know you perhaps also may have the nativity in your home. So this is one way you can enhance the versatility of how you would display your nativity. Get a lantern, or maybe you already have a lantern also in the house. Battery operated preferable so that you can light it. And it is a mobile decor piece, very portable decor piece that you can move around from one location to the other. The places you can place it is just numerous. As you will see later on, I use mine on the staircase and it paired very well with the decor that I have on the banister. You can put this in your office space. You can put it in the kitchen. It's just amazing piece. So guys, your hot glue, you want to glue on every piece of item. Identify strategic locations that you'll be placing the main characters, which are the three wise men. And then everything else, your decor pieces, the pine cone, the red berries, the pine leaves, you just attach those on and let your creative juices flow. Apply it on. As you can see, I am looking around any gap. I want to fill it up either with a greenery or with some piece of decor. Once you have done that, now attach your swag in a very slanting way, and you can create your own bow. I have my own bow here that I DIY'd, and I am just attaching on that to it just to give it a very elegant finishing touch. Look at that. Just look at that, guys. If that makes a statement to be that is appealing to you, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, guys. You can see how we transform this into a statement piece, a fine designer statement piece that is worth nothing. It has a voice of its own. Look at the final production. It's just remarkably beautiful. It is stunning. It is worth nothing. Yes, absolutely worth nothing. So guys, I definitely do encourage you, to transform your everyday item into those statement elegant pieces to enhance the decor in your living space. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, for your love, your comment. Please leave comments below and share how you are decorating for Christmas. So guys, it was a pleasure having you at Mama Nine just again today. I wish you all a Merry Christmas celebration. And please watch to the end because I do have a bonus, a special bonus for you. Alright guys, if you love this video, if you love what you see, please do not hesitate to like, share and subscribe. And as you can see here, I have paired my nativity with the three wise men. And if you have not seen the video on the nativity, please do check it out because you will gain one or two things from that as well. Thank you all once again for watching. Until next episode, stay well and Merry Christmas.